How often should I replace my brake pads and my brake rotors? So this question is not necessarily based off the number on your odometer. The answer is going to vary depending on riding style from customer to customer, and it will also depend on bike models. Some models are lighter than others. You have heavier touring models, you have lighter soft tail models. Some have dual disc front brakes, single disc front brakes. So all these play into the factor of when you might need to replace these parts on your motorcycle. Bringing your motorcycle to your local Harley-Davidson dealership or ourselves here at Trev Deeley, we will inspect your bike during your service intervals, and we will let you know when it's time to change these parts on your motorcycle. If you want to do a quick inspection on your own, feel free to take out a flashlight, just take a quick peek down at your brake pads and look to see if your grooves are still visible. That will give you an indication of whether you need to change your brake pads or not.